Hi guys, welcome. If you've ever wondered how arc welding machines work or which one is best for you, this video is for you. Arc welding machines are tools used to join metal parts by creating intense heat through an electric arc. The arc forms between an electrode and the metal workpiece, melting both surfaces so they fuse together as they cool. These machines are widely used in construction, fabrication, automobile repair, and metal workshops because they are strong, reliable, and cost-effective. There are different types of arc welding machines, including AC welders, DC welders, and inverter welders. AC machines are simple and affordable, while DC machines provide a smoother and more stable arc. Inverter welding machines are the most modern. They are lightweight, energy efficient, and easy to carry, making them popular for both professionals and beginners. Arc welding machines can work on various metals such as steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. With proper safety gear like gloves, helmets, and protective clothing, arc welding is an effective method for producing strong, long-lasting metal joints. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.